how does our future classroom school look like?
First of all, I think it's connected. That would be probably the first criterion that we can list. It's Dewey, our guru in this area, has quite a lot of ideas how the ideal classroom could be built, which he had in 1907. And there every illustration that he made had a library on it, that there should be a library connection. Now, in the next century that we have entered, I think the library should probably be replaced by connectivity and probably by what we refer to as a personal learning environment with many different elements, electronic elements that can be combined in a customized way that fit the individual. I think that would be the least criterion that we could put inside of it.
So I'd like to combine what you're saying. So we have like the connected school or connected classroom. You say it can be connected with it's about personal learning environment, or you talk about connected. You talk about technology as well. I think when we talk about being connected, I think about the classroom being opened to other spaces, like an online dimension, to other schools, perhaps locally connected, nationally connected, globally connected. There's really a penetrated classroom that is combined with a lot of other people and knowledge and can be put together in different ways. And also, Dewey, he says that the school is isolated. The school problem is that it's isolated. I think he uses the word isolated, but it's really about formal and informal knowledge, or that you have to combine the knowledge that children have before it makes sense in school. Do you know what I mean? You have to build bridges.
One example that I got a lot out of was when he said, "How can they learn chemistry if they don't know how to cook?"
Yeah.
Because those two elements are intertwined somehow. They are connected. If you know the basics of cooking, it's into a bowl, making it fry or boil or whatever, and getting an end result which is completely different from what you put inside in the first place.
Yeah.
That is so close to chemistry experiments.
Yeah.
And he would like teachers to take advantage of that prior knowledge that students obviously have.
Yeah.
From their own home setting.
Yeah.
He also talks about a physical change in the classroom, that students should not be, or pupils should not be fixed and also only listening to what the teacher
says.
That they need to use their body and be active.
Yes.
And that they use their knowledge from their everyday life, or maybe also get some other knowledge because of their connectivity to the internet or to the local, how can you say that, experts.
Yeah. And here it's interesting because here you also talk about the role of the teacher, because when they are connected to other people, both other children and teachers and experts, and the knowledge is everywhere. So the teacher is not the person who has all the knowledge. I really like to combine what we are saying with a playful approach, because if we, instead of being the teachers, we have to give the knowledge away, we play alongside the children and say, okay, well, let's do this, let's experiment with this. Then we need to maybe we need some to go into this lab, or we need to talk to this person, or we need to, then we have a situation where something new is created.
Yeah, the teacher is more like a guide or a facilitator of the activities.
Yeah.
Instead of being the one who has all the knowledge.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it's also important to mention that today we have classes.
Yeah.
That age how to differentiate it, but maybe in the future class you would not have this grade.
Yeah.
Where they're all together.
Yes.
Cooperating, and instead of just not talking
Yeah.
to each other, they are in the same room or they together on something.
I really like what you're saying here, because it's so strange. In kindergarten, we have children, they're not segregated by age. They can be 2 to 4 or 4 to 6, but suddenly when they go to school, they're the same age. They have the same classes. When they are, let's say in the first grade, they're all 7 and they all have Danish at the same time. Well, it could be fun to experiment with that. Oh, that's really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, because in the real life, you don't have
Yes.
segregated subjects.
Yeah.
You use intertwined. They're all
Yes.
together. Yeah.
I really like that idea. I really like it a lot.
Maybe just one.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
No, if you have seen the new Bloom's taxonomy,
Yeah.
where the one there is on the top is the creating, and I think that's what Dewey is talking about. That you learn by create things,
Yeah.
by making things.
Yeah.